Greetings, wild fins enthusiasts. On today's tutorial, I will walk you through the new Leisions Report, and you'll also see this new Friends Report that we threw up there. So, Leisions Report first. So you come to Reporting, click on Leisions Report, and you'll see it's pretty straightforward for your filters. You can select a date range. You can select by species. You can select by route. You'll be able to select by code once you select a species. You can select by lesion type, or you can select a region of the body or a specific body condition. You can also add multiple features, or multiple filters, excuse me. So let's go back in time for a year, and we'll choose just mostly all of January, and we'll do bottlenose. Let's do something else. Let's do spotted. Let's do spotted dolphins, and and then you just click run, and you see that you get your list and an export feature. So let's say you wanted to say narrow that down by a type. So we want to see how many actually have xeno, single xeno, and then we run that. And you'll see that it will come up with a much more succinct list, and then you would hit export, and your Leisions report will be exported. Pretty straightforward. If you have any questions on that, let me know. All right. Thanks, and have a great day. Enjoy. Bye.